Welcome to Casa de Copas, a place where artists and creatives come to craft their sonic visions. Founded in 2024, Casa de Copas describes itself as the first interdisciplinary and community-first recording space focused on the creation of holistic music and creative projects in Mexico City. It seeks to provide a space where individuals can rediscover their creativity and reconnect with their essence. Today, we're excited to explore a new partnership that we trust will empower the studio to continue to achieve their mission. The aim is to elevate the studio's capabilities and provide musicians with the best tools to bring their projects to life. Hercules Music Stands is a trusted brand known for its quality and reliability. These stands are designed to provide musicians with a stable and comfortable platform for their instruments and are a worldwide standard in the music industry. Whether on stage or in the studio, Hercules guarantees the elevation of any space. Their unique design and patented locking system build the most secure playground for musicians to enjoy every step of the creative process. All right, let's take a look at some of the things that go on in the studio. Okay, that's enough. Clearly these guys are in trouble.
Jose, what's up? It's JP at Casa de Copas. I need stands, man. I have a terrible lack of stands here. Like, you work with Hercules, right? Do you want to come here and just check it out and see what we can do? You can? Okay. See you soon, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Luckily, help is on the way. Hercules Music Stands and Casa de Copas have joined forces to create a partnership that's as stable as a rock and as harmonious as a symphony. Together, we're ensuring that musicians can focus on what they do best, making music. All the distractions caused by wobbly equipment and the shortcomings of the environment will be in the past.
Perfect.
Now we're talking. Witness the studio evolve into a vibrant musical masterpiece. These Hercules stands are more than just tools. They are the unsung heroes of the recording session, serving as the steadfast pillars that support the dreams of countless musicians. Hercules Music Stands and Casa de Copas are proud to partner with musicians for a top-quality recording experience. By offering reliable and high-quality equipment, we're supporting artists in their creative endeavors.